First open your web browser. Now search for Tor browser download. Click on the first link. Here click on Download for Linux. Once your download is complete, close your browser and open your terminal. Now cd to your downloads folder. Here you can see your downloaded file. Now type tar-xf and the file name to unzip it. Now cd to Tor browser folder. If you are a non-root user, you can run the browser by typing /start tor browser.desktop. But if you are a root user, you will get an error message saying the Tor browser should not be run as root. To fix this error, type cd browser. Now type gedit or any of your text editor along with start Tor browser. Here in line 94 you can see that the line saying your bundle should not be run as root. Now all you have to do is comment out these 4 lines, add hashtag in front of these 4 lines. Save and close the file. Now if you go back and run Tor browser, it will work.